So I think what's being asked here is how to create a video, split screen video. Two frames, using two frames, that could mean a lot of things, but I think it means split screen. Let's take a look at some of the conventional and unconventional ways to do that. So probably the easiest way to achieve this split two-frame picture is to click on Templates and then drag the whatever frame option you're looking for, or 1, 2, or 4, or whatever. They have gobs and gobs of choices here that you can use, and choose any one of these ones to put on there. That's easy enough to do. So, but we're going to stick with just the basic 2-1, which is what the question was. And when we have the playhead above that, we can see we got frame 1 and frame 2. And now if we want to add our media, I have two medias here. This one is a short clip. This one is a long clip. You can see this one is 10 seconds long. This one's 2 minutes and 51 seconds long. But you can just simply drag it over and drop it in, and drag it over and drop it in. And now you have it. And if you want to move this around to show a certain part of it, you could certainly do that. And likewise over here. So as far as, you can stretch these things out, but the problem is that when the one ends, as you see, this is the shorter 10-second one, then it's just going to be stationary. So you got a little issue with that, but certainly you can work on either one of them. Let's see if this gives us color for a particular. No, that gives you overall color. So anything that you act on up in here is going to be for that particular, it's going to be for the total frame for both of them. So that may not be the best option, but this is the simplest way of making two frames. The other option is you could drop your own two images down, or two videos down there, and you could use you can, for example, just resize it this way. Now you got a picture-in-picture, or you could resize the other one. That's fine. Or we could use the cropping feature, for example. We could crop the picture. So let's take this picture here, and we would click the cropper, and then we're going to say, let's make this one a instead of 16 by 9, we'll do a 9 by 16, and then we'll center on what we want to see. So then we have that there, and let's do the same with the other one, and we could crop that, and we will do another 9 by 16, and we'll center on the truck here, and now we have the two, and I will just restore this to full height. So these are ways that you can make multi-frame videos.